Good day everyone. Our project is Augmented Listening Task Sheets, which is a set of listening task sheets that incorporates augmented reality for the learners to view and listen to the audio. Augmented reality, or AR, has been used in the education areas as research has proven that AR is able to enhance our senses with the digitalized virtual information placed on top of real-world information. Previous research on increasing learning motivation also indicated that the use of animations can bring a positive influence towards the learners. Most of the learners in our schools have actually never tried augmented reality before. Thus, it is interesting to let them experience it and find out whether it is helpful in motivating the learners and creating an impact on them. Moreover, to most teachers, it is an arduous task to produce their own AR materials. Therefore, as an initiative to combine printed materials and simple animations, the idea of augmented reality task sheets has emerged. This project brings visual and audio in form of animations as well as AR elements to the usual two-dimensional task sheets. Typically, task sheets are just papers and words. Then the learners will listen to the audio on other platforms. But now, they could interact with the task sheets by just scanning the AR tag images and retrieve the audio instantly. Via this project, we also demonstrate a simple way to incorporate AR into listening tasks by using the iJack app. We hope these innovations and innovative moves will break the perceptions of the teachers thinking that AR is difficult and time-consuming. The good thing about this project is that it can be used directly by the teachers in their classes. The task sheets are suitable for pupils with intermediate proficiency, and we encourage the teachers to take some time to explain and go through the process with the learners if they are unfamiliar with the concept of AR. If teachers want to reproduce these kind of task sheets, they can do so very easily with almost no cost at all, as the website and the app is free to use. Teachers just need to produce an animation or even just simple graphics. Then they can go to the iJack Creator app to upload their media to realize the AR in their own task sheets for their learners. These augmented listening task sheets has proven to bring a huge impact on our learners, as most of them has provided positive feedback regarding the task sheets. First and foremost, pupils were more eager to attempt the task sheets as they were exposed to the AR technology and experience it in their own learning process. They said that they were actually excited to see the animations popping out in front of them. Besides, more than half of the pupils reflected that they were able to enjoy learning at their own pace. After they have downloaded the media, they could access the learning task sheets easily anytime with the presence of AR tag images. With these augmented listening task sheets, pupils were given the chance to perceive the real world through a virtual overlay. When they scan the AR tag images, they can view and listen to the conversations live right in front of them. Now, let me present our augmented listening task sheets. The task sheets will welcome you with a set of QR codes and brief instructions. It is recommended to view the introductory video first before you proceed. These task sheets, you need to go to the Apple Store or Android Play Store to download an application with the name of iJack. Download the app and you're set to go. Just scan the QR. After you have downloaded the app and scanned the QR codes, you're ready to view the AR in the task. There are a total of 8 exercises with AR tag images, some questions based on the listening task, and an image for the learners to scan for the transcript.
Well. This miserable weather really gets me.
At the end of the task sheets, there will be another AR tag image for the learners to scan and check their answers. Learners can attempt the task sheets all by themselves by interacting with it. Ladies and gentlemen, so this is our project, Augmented Listening Task Sheets. With that, I thank you.